At Hawaiian Electric, we are on track to reach our commitment to 100% clean energy by 2045. To achieve that goal, we are constantly expanding our solar programs, improving our infrastructure, and creating choices for our community. Customer Grid Supply Plus, or CGS Plus, provides a monthly credit for energy exported to the grid. Customer Self-Supply allows homeowners to produce, store, and use their energy without exporting to the grid. Current net energy metering customers have a new option, NEM Plus, allowing them to add a non-exporting system such as battery storage to their current system. Our community solar program is growing, providing an additional solar option for all customers. And our customer interconnection tool makes it easier than ever to apply to our programs. Through these programs and innovative technology, Hawaii continues to be a leader in energy independence. And we're doing it together, as the people of Hawaii do.